Hello and welcome to Beginner Spanish Lesson 20, and today I'm going to focus on regular verbs, or how we say in Spanish, verbos regulares. In Spanish there are both regular and irregular verbs, and the difference between them is that with regular verbs, when it's time to conjugate them, you keep the same stem with each conjugation and only the ending changes. With irregular verbs, the entire word can change when you're conjugating them. For example, the verb ser, you have yo soy, and then with tú you have tú eres, so there's a complete change of the word. Now, verbs in Spanish can end in either AR, ER, or IR, but never in OR or UR. For this lesson, I'm going to focus on regular AR verbs, and the next lesson will be ER, and then I'll talk about IR verbs. And I'm going to provide 5 examples of commonly used verbs and then conjugate them. Let's get started. Here are a few examples of some regular AR verbs. Estudiar, estudiar, which means to study. Hablar, hablar, to speak or to talk. Mirar, mirar, to see or to look. Trabajar, trabajar, to work. Tomar, tomar, to drink or to take. You can use this verb when you want to say that you're drinking water, you're drinking wine, or to take as in to take the bus or to take a break. So the way you would go about conjugating these regular AR verbs is by dropping the AR and then adding the appropriate ending. So if you're conjugating the verb to yo, you would drop the AR and add an O. For to, drop the AR, add AS. For él, ella, or usted, you would drop the AR, add an A. For nosotros, drop the AR and add amos, A-M-O-S. For ellos, ellas, or ustedes, you would drop the AR, add an A-N. So if you conjugate, for example, estudiar, it would be yo estudio, tú estudias, él, ella, usted estudia, nosotros estudiamos, ellos, ellas, ustedes estudian. Hablar, yo hablo, tú hablas, él, ella, usted habla, nosotros hablamos, ellos, ellas, ustedes hablan. Mirar, yo miro, tú miras, él, ella o usted mira, nosotros miramos, ellos, ellas, ustedes miran. Trabajar, yo trabajo, tú trabajas, él, ella, usted trabaja, nosotros trabajamos, ellos, ellas, ustedes trabajan. Tomar, yo tomo, tú tomas, él, ella, usted toma, nosotros tomamos, ellos, ellas, ustedes toman. These are just a few examples of the many regular AR verbs there are in Spanish. I'm going to leave an exercise for you to do right after this, and the next lesson will be common ER verbs. Es todo por ahora. Ciao for now.